Hey, I'm Deante Thomas, and I'm based out of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So far as a MAPS client, my experience has been phenomenal. I'm able to, avoid some of the pitfalls and speed bumps of the business by having a coach that's been there and seen some of the things that I'm experiencing and just helping me grow my business with numbers that I never imagined that I would ever be able to do. My productivity has been amazing since I hired my coach. I like the fact that she holds me accountable. She gives me clear details and explanations about what to expect from me. And like I said, it's really kept me on track and helped me grow my units. Last year in 2021, I was able to do my career high of 90 closed units, which I led my market center in units closed. MAPS has really changed my life, and it's changed my family's life. So I'm able to help clients, just achieve that American dream of home ownership and, helping some clients invest and also sell homes. But what that has done for me and my family is, of course, financially, I'm able to pour into the community, pour into my family, do things that we never thought that we would be able to do, and just really have that life worth living. So I'm very appreciative of the system.